You're bullish on Bitcoin. Are we looking at a Bitcoin-centric future?
I think so. I think you've got 4 presidential candidates endorsing Bitcoin. That's unprecedented in the history of the United States.
This altcoin gets a 439% surge in one day, and crypto analysts believe we could see new all-time highs by the end of the year. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so no one drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Ethereum has reached another milestone with over 23.5 million ETH deposited for staking. Currently, with ETH priced at $1880, over $38 billion is being used to secure the network. Although validators have had the opportunity to stake ETH since the Ethereum merge last year, staking didn't grow dramatically in popularity until the Chappelle upgrade, which enabled withdrawals. There has been a net inflow of 3.6 million staked ETH, or $6.9 billion following the Chappelle upgrade, showing that interest in the Ethereum blockchain has remained at an all-time high. The current circulating supply of Ether is currently at 120.2 million ETH, and staked ETH makes up roughly 19.5% of all Ether on the chain. That's equivalent to roughly 6.5% of Bitcoin's market cap fully staked on Ethereum. In fact, staked Ether is becoming so popular that the raw number of ETH staked on the Ethereum blockchain is about to surpass the total number of Ether that's kept on all cryptocurrency exchanges. The growing interest in Ethereum staking is a positive sign for the network and indicates that ETH holders are moving away from centralized entities and into more decentralized spaces. Crypto billionaire and Tron Network founder Justin Sun withdrew $29.7 million worth of Ether from liquid staking platform Lido Finance and then sent the tokens to crypto exchange Huobi. Justin Sun's crypto wallet received a total of 15,805 ETH from Lido's withdrawal address on Thursday after requesting to unstake. The transactions happened as ETH has gained almost 16% through the week, surging past 1,900 from a low of 1,630. Sun's digital asset holdings in a labeled crypto wallet are worth $1.2 billion, and after the transaction, the wallet still holds 287,000 of Lido staked Ether, worth about $543 million. United States crypto exchange Binance US has informed customers it has resolved its US dollar withdrawal issues after working with its banking partners, but warns that relief may not last. Binance US, the subsidiary of crypto exchange Binance, told customers in a June 22nd update that its system remains fully operational and that US dollar withdrawal requests are expected to go back to their normal 5 business day turnaround. At the time, it also warned customers that its banking partners were preparing to pause fiat withdrawal channels as early as June 13th, however that didn't end up coming to pass. In its most recent statement, Binance US has encouraged any customers that have had a failed withdrawal attempt to submit their requests as our system remains fully operational, but caution that the relief may not be permanent. Binance US is also encouraging its users to use, withdrawal, or convert your USD to a stablecoin to continue crypto-to-crypto trading as it transitions to a crypto-only exchange. And your remaining USD balances held in customer accounts could be converted into Tether. On June 22nd, TrueUSD announced on Twitter that its TUSD stablecoin had no exposure to the troubled Prime Trust, which is reportedly facing regulatory challenges. Following an order from state financial regulators, the Nevada-based Prime Trust reportedly abruptly halted all fiat and cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals. Numerous clients now find themselves in a predicament with their funds effectively stranded. In light of the recent news, TrueUSD promptly announced that it is not affected by the situation at Prime Trust, and TrueUSD emphasized that it had diversified its partnerships and maintained multiple USD rails elsewhere. The announcement said Prime Trust has suspended all deposits of fiat and digital assets. TrueUSD is not affected by the situation. We have no exposure to Prime Trust and maintain multiple USD rails for minting and redemption. Rest assured, all your funds are safe with TUSD. Prime Trust is a technology-driven trust company that provides a range of services to digital asset companies. The company plays a crucial role in supporting the cryptocurrency ecosystem. In the early hours of June 10th, TUSD experienced a deviation from its dollar peg due to temporarily halting in minting activities facilitated by Prime Trust. TrueUSD said it addressed the situation, assuring its users that while minting processes through Prime Trust was temporarily paused, other banking partnerships for TUSD minting and redemption services remain unaffected. At the time of writing, TUSD is trading at $1 with an estimated market cap of $3.1 billion. Just in time for the recent Bitcoin pump, our partners at Wanchain have just launched their Bitcoin XFlows on Ethereum. This means you can now transfer Bitcoin across Avalanche, BNB, Wanchain, and Ethereum in a cheap, decentralized, and permissionless way. While the invention of Bitcoin has wide-ranging ramifications, perhaps the most significant was the emergence of other feature-rich blockchain networks. Leading the charge was Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts and consequently decentralized finance. Naturally, users need a way to use their Bitcoin in these new DeFi ecosystems. This prompted the invention of wrapped assets, which are tokens pegged to and backed by the underlying asset. Unfortunately, these different wrapped Bitcoin are incompatible with one another, and there's no secure decentralized mechanism to move from one to another until now. Bitcoin XFlows is a decentralized cross-chain solution that enables the transformation between Bitcoin on on Bitcoin and many of the most popular Bitcoin-backed assets, including Bitcoin.B on Avalanche, Bitcoin B on BNB Chain, and WanBTC on Wanchain, and now also including Wrap Bitcoin on Ethereum. Most importantly, the Bitcoin XFlows are secure and cheap. For example, this transaction of 7.87 Bitcoin B on the BNB chain to the Bitcoin chain cost just 0.0008 Bitcoin and took under 5 minutes. Check out Wanchain's bridge for the cheapest and fastest way to move your Bitcoin around, link down below. In a Twitter update on June 22nd, Credible Crypto argued that the next 4 months should deliver the bullish Bitcoin price momentum needed to tackle the $69,000 Bitcoin price. Bitcoin has put in a solid performance this month, and Credible Crypto is increasingly optimistic for its continuation. To do so, Bitcoin needs to present increasingly larger green monthly candles to keep it in line with previous impulse periods. He explained by saying, "What's clear with any parabolic advance is that momentum increases exponentially and peaks at the top. We can see this in both prior impulse moves from 13 to 14K and from 10 to 60K. This time around, Bitcoin has delivered a successful retest of support on the monthly timeframes, with $25,000 now possibly a springboard for a new parabolic advance." He continued by saying, "This means I would expect that once expansion begins, we should see monthly moves of over $10,000 at a time. From current levels to prior all-time high is a $40,000 gap. This gap should then logically be covered within a few monthly candles if this is a parabolic advance." Michael Saylor, who's also bullish on Bitcoin, recently said this.
And you've got BlackRock, Fidelity, Citadel, and Charles Schwab, Credit Agricole, Banco Santander, and Deutsche Bank all announcing Bitcoin support initiatives this week. And I think that the marketplace is starting to perceive that Bitcoin is the winner. The crypto industry is going to rationalize around Bitcoin, and all of Wall Street firms and Main Street investors are going to start to get behind this new asset class.
On June 21st, Elon Musk sent out a tweet stating Optimus will come in many forms. Just 1 day later, the price of Optimus has increased 38.6% to 13 cents. At the time of writing, Optimus AI currently sits at 13.5 cents and a 34.5% increase in the last week. Optimus AI's token Opti has a circulating supply of 85 million Opti and is valued at a market cap of 11.5 million. Also worth noting that following Musk's tweet, Opti has reached a 439% increase in daily trading volume, where it currently sits at $917,000. Optimus AI is recognized as a cryptocurrency project designed to pay tribute to Elon Musk's latest robotic creation. Optimus is currently in development by Musk and Tesla. On June 22nd, self-custody wallet provider BitKeep announced support for BRC20 tokens issued on the Bitcoin network. With the feature, users can now view, rank, and transfer BRC20 tokens and non-fungible tokens. Developers also stated that BRC20 in-wallet swaps are coming in the future, and last month, cryptocurrency exchange OKX also announced support for BRC20 assets via the OKX wallet app. Many centralized and decentralized exchanges also rolled out BRC20 support. Despite adoption, however, the current market cap of BRC20 tokens is $155 million, representing a nearly 85% decline from its all-time high in May during the peak of the meme coin craze. As told by BitKeep, BRC20 is a new token standard that utilizes ordinals and inscriptions to create new assets on Bitcoin. Ordinals enables the creation of fungible tokens on top of Bitcoin. Meanwhile, inscriptions allow users to create unique digital assets on the Bitcoin blockchain. Unlike the ERC20 token standard, BRC20 tokens cannot perform complex functions, and with the recent Bitcoin rally, BRC20 was the best performing category this week, having gained 21.5%. We also just posted a video on the best BRC20 wallets, which you can find linked down below. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong is undeterred by the recent consequential lawsuit from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, as his grand vision for the exchange's platform is for it to become a global super app. Armstrong envisions that Coinbase, currently a centralized crypto exchange with various crypto products, will eventually become a super app helping the Web3 economy. The term super app is used for Web3 applications like WeChat, which provide a vast array of services to users, including financial services to booking doctor's appointments. He said at the State of the Crypto Summit that in Asia for some time, people have apps that they use for digital money in all kinds of areas of their life. I think for Coinbase, we want to be that super app, but it's all going to be based on these decentralized protocols, adding that the app will not be used for just money and assets, but also for social interactions. By decentralizing, dApps can create a digital economy of peer-to-peer services that keeps users' data out of reach from large organizations. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.